I think the club is growing a lot. There are a lot of students that are interested. The roster has filled up immensely. So there are a lot of people who have expressed that interest. They need materials, they need tools, they need supplies for their projects or anything that they're interested in working with. And this club has it all. So it's here, it's free, you know, as long as they return it, it's ready to go.
We have a pretty secure amount of money for funding, and we sponsor a lot of the student projects that happen in the engineering building.
And through financial resources comes materials, so we're okay on those two. The one that we need, and most importantly need to maintain, are human resources, the students that we can get involved, and not only getting more students involved, but keeping their involvement and inspiring them to motivate others to participate in this as well.
What you're seeing right now is current president and next president. Design ideas. So.
One of the more interesting ones that we saw in the club was we had a female student, I believe she was a communications major, and she needed some help in feeding her pets while she was away for 4 days over a weekend. And so we helped her develop this little automated food dispenser for her cats. It was somewhat a combination, I believe, of timing and motion sensing, so that, you know, if the cats were really hungry and if they harassed the machine enough, they could get some food. But it ended up being successful and took care of her cats while she was gone. So it's a very creative and practical application.
So I think this has a lot of potential, and as much as we can grow it, it will be as much as it can benefit each student. Right now, we're doing our fighting robots. We do that in November and February. November, it's called the November Robot Rumble, and then in February, it's called the Engineering Expo. November Robot Rumble is typically a smaller venue where we use a third of the Union Ballroom, and it's just kind of, it's our stuff, it's what we do. In February, the Engineering Expo is about inviting the other engineering clubs to represent themselves in the works that they do. So just this past Sunday, we had several clubs come and represent their efforts.